across this nifty park. It's really close to the Museum of London. It is called the Postman's Park. And what's really the most interesting feature of it is has nothing to do with Postman, actually. It's this memorial that's on the back end of the park, covered by this little roof. Now, this is the monument to those who gave their lives to save somebody else, or let's see how they put it, the commemoration of self-sacrifice. Each one of these little tiles is a person's name and a brief description of how they died saving somebody else. Now, the guy that put this together, his name was G.F. Watts. And, he's the guy who had this idea and put it into motion. And I think he died shortly after getting it going and didn't have many up at the time of his own death. And his wife carried on the project after that. You'll see these are around the 1800s, early 1900s. Pretty old, so I don't think they have any up-to-date plaques up here. But these are really some interesting stories, even as short as they are. You'll notice a lot of these, they're really young in age. You know, a few in their 30s, but some are really young. This one's really sad. This one, William Fisher, age 9. He died while trying to save his little brother from being run over. Now, this one is a name that's a little bit more famous. It was featured in a movie, Alice Ayres, top left there. There was a 2003 movie called Closer. It had Natalie Portman, Jude Law, some others in it. And Natalie Portman's character took on that name in the movie. There's a lot more down here. It's a very interesting park. It's over by the London Museum. If you're in the area, you should stop by and check this out.